Looking for the worst rifle scopes for hunting? Not every optic is built for reliability, and some models fail miserably in accuracy, durability, and performance. In fact, many hunters regret buying them, and Americans strongly dislike these picks. In this guide, we expose 5 rifle scopes only idiots choose for hunting and reveal smarter alternatives for 2026. Number 5. Pinty Generic Scope is a versatile, budget-friendly optic designed for hunters, tactical shooters, and recreational marksmen who want reliable performance and essential features without breaking the bank. Offering variable magnification and a clear, fully multi-coated lens system, this scope delivers sharp visuals and dependable light transmission, making it suitable for both close-range targeting and moderate long-range shooting. Its illuminated reticle, typically available in red and green with multiple brightness levels, enhances visibility in different lighting conditions, ensuring quick target acquisition whether you're shooting at dusk, dawn, or under bright sunlight. Built with a sturdy shock-proof housing, the Pinty scope is also nitrogen-filled to remain waterproof and fog-proof, guaranteeing consistent functionality even in unpredictable weather. User-friendly windage and elevation turrets allow for precise, repeatable adjustments, while the adjustable objective on select models corrects parallax for improved accuracy at varying distances. Many Pinty scopes also come with added conveniences such as flip-up lens covers for protection, integrated mounts for quick installation, and lightweight construction that won't overburden your rifle. While designed as an entry-level optic, it delivers reliable performance for beginners and casual shooters, as well as serving as a dependable backup for experienced marksmen. Whether you're hunting, practicing at the range, or exploring tactical applications, the Pinty Generic Scope provides a balanced combination of clarity, durability, and affordability, making it a practical choice for shooters who want solid functionality without the premium price tag. Number 4. NC Star Rifle Scopes are designed to deliver dependable performance, versatility, and affordability, making them a popular choice among hunters, tactical shooters, and recreational marksmen who want practical optics without overspending. Offering a wide range of models with varying magnification levels, reticle types, and features, NC Star scopes cater to everything from close-quarters targeting to long-range shooting. Built with fully multi-coated lenses, these scopes provide clear, bright images with reliable light transmission, ensuring shooters can acquire their target in both daylight and low-light conditions. Many NC Star scopes feature illuminated reticles with adjustable brightness levels, allowing for quick aiming in different environments, while user-friendly windage and elevation turrets make precise adjustments fast and simple. Constructed with durable materials, they are shockproof, water-resistant, and fog-resistant, capable of withstanding recoil and outdoor elements without compromising performance. Select models include additional features such as adjustable objectives for parallax correction, flip-up lens covers for protection, and integrated mounts for easy installation. Lightweight and versatile, NC Star scopes are suitable for rifles, shotguns, and even air guns, making them an accessible option for shooters of all experience levels. Whether used for hunting game, improving accuracy at the range, or training in tactical scenarios, NC Star rifle scopes offer a balance of functionality, durability, and value that appeals to both beginners and experienced shooters. With their wide selection and reliable construction, NC Star continues to provide shooters with optics that enhance accuracy, confidence, and overall shooting performance at a price point that makes quality optics more accessible to everyone. Number 3. Tasco World Class is a trusted, budget-friendly optic that combines durability, clarity, and practical features to give hunters and shooters a reliable tool for the field or the range. Designed with a versatile range of magnifications and large objective lenses, the World Class series provides bright, crisp images and dependable light transmission, ensuring visibility and accuracy during early morning hunts, late evening shots, or cloudy conditions. Its fully coated optics reduce glare while enhancing contrast and color fidelity, allowing for sharper target acquisition and improved overall performance. Equipped with a simple yet effective reticle system, the World Class makes holdovers and aiming adjustments easy, while its responsive windage and elevation turrets allow for precise zeroing and repeatable accuracy. Built with a rugged, weather-resistant housing, the scope is shockproof, fog-proof, and waterproof, capable of withstanding recoil and harsh outdoor conditions without losing zero or compromising performance. Lightweight in design, it won't weigh down your rifle, making it ideal for extended hunts or long-range shooting sessions. With a wide field of view at lower magnification and clear, detailed focus at higher magnification, the Tasco world-class rifle scope adapts to a variety of shooting environments, whether you're hunting whitetail in dense woods, glassing open fields for varmints, or sighting in targets at the range. Affordable yet dependable, it strikes a balance between functionality and value, making it a popular choice for beginners and seasoned shooters looking for a reliable scope that performs well without the premium price tag. Number 2, Simmons 8-point series are built to deliver reliable performance, crystal-clear optics, and user-friendly features at an affordable price, making them a favorite choice among hunters and recreational shooters. Featuring fully coated optics, the 8-point series provides bright, sharp images with excellent contrast, ensuring clear target acquisition even in challenging light conditions such as early morning or late evening hunts. With a versatile magnification range and generous field of view, these scopes adapt seamlessly to a variety of shooting environments, from dense timber to wide-open fields, while the simple TruePlex reticle offers a clean and effective aiming solution for quick shots or long-range precision. Built to withstand the rigors of the outdoors, the Simmons 8-point series is fog-proof, waterproof, and recoil-resistant, maintaining zero and dependable performance under tough weather conditions and repeated heavy recoil. The scope features responsive windage and elevation adjustments with audible clicks, allowing shooters to fine-tune their accuracy easily and consistently. A generous eye relief enhances comfort and safety, even when paired with hard-hitting calibers, while the lightweight yet durable construction ensures it won't weigh down your rifle during long hunts or extended shooting sessions. Designed with both beginners and seasoned hunters in mind, the Simmons 8-point series strikes a perfect balance of value, practicality, and durability, giving shooters the confidence they need in every scenario. Whether you're chasing whitetail, honing your skills at the range, or preparing for your first big hunt, the Simmons 8-point series rifle scope offers dependable optics that get the job done. Number 1. Barska Huntmaster series are designed for hunters who demand dependable optics, rugged construction, and straightforward functionality at an affordable price, making them an excellent companion for a wide range of hunting applications. Featuring fully coated lenses, the Huntmaster series delivers clear, bright images with improved contrast and light transmission, ensuring reliable target acquisition even in low-light conditions such as dawn or dusk when game is most active. With versatile magnification ranges and large objective lenses, these scopes provide a wide field of view at lower power for scanning terrain and crisp detail at higher power for long-range precision. The Huntmaster series is equipped with a simple and effective reticle system that offers quick aiming solutions, while easily adjustable windage and elevation turrets ensure precise zeroing and repeatable accuracy. Built to endure the challenges of outdoor use, these scopes are shockproof, fog-proof, and waterproof, maintaining performance in harsh weather and under heavy recoil. Their lightweight design keeps rifles balanced and comfortable to carry on long hunts, while flip-up lens covers on select models provide added protection in the field. Practical and reliable, the Barska Huntmaster series rifle scopes are tailored for deer hunting, varmint control, and general outdoor shooting, delivering essential features without unnecessary complexity. Whether you're a seasoned hunter or a beginner looking for a solid, no-nonsense optic, the Huntmaster series combines clarity, durability, and affordability into a package that helps ensure every shot counts when it matters most.